How to accept an admin request on a Facebook page. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now first, of course, we go ahead and open Facebook, and you might find the request in your notifications, so tap right here. Now if you can't find it here, don't worry, just quit from there and follow up with me. Tap on the search icon at the top, then type in that page's name right here. In my case it is the Vintage Blank page. I tap on enter, and from the category bar right here, swipe to the left until you find the pages category. Tap on it. From here, just look for your page. Once you find it, tap on it, and you'll find the request right here. All you need to do is to tap right here on the review invite button. You'll be taken here, tap on next in the bottom. Once you do that, you'll get some details about your admin roles and the tasks and access you'll be granted to. Now once you read through that, tap on accept right here and you will be an admin to that page. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.